Hello everyone, welcome back to MadLad Labs, and today I wanted to do a brief video as a reminder for people to always remember that hey, you can probably use ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, whatever your favorite AI tool is to do things, whether it's automation, scripting, whatever. And recently I wanted to make a lithophane of the moon so I could put it over a bulb, and what I wanted didn't really exist, or at least I couldn't find it myself. And specifically I wanted a lithophane of a sphere, and I wanted to have a cylindrical hollow base on it with a little flange over here at the bottom. Now, like I said, this didn't really exist, or rather didn't exist in the way I wanted it. So instead, I said, let me see what ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever can do. Started off with a quick research step. I asked ChatGPT like, hey, where can I get high resolution images of the moon? And ChatGPT sent me over to NASA website where they have a CGI kit for the moon. And next I went to Gemini with a prompt, which I'll show you right now. It's not super overly complicated. Here's the link to the NASA website that hosts the moon map, and I asked it to, hey, create a script, take the NASA CGI moon kit TIFF images, which are equi-rectangular projection images, and generate an STL that does the following. Give me a sphere lithophane of the input image, and I want a hole in the bottom that becomes a hollow cylinder with a flange at the bottom. And the script should have the following constants defined at the top of the script. Obviously input image, do I need to invert it or not, and a bunch of dimensions for the sphere, the thickness, the cylinder dimensions, and the flange dimensions. And then I let it run. It spit out a script, and it pretty much manages to one-shot the script at this point. I ran it when the resulting STL imported into the Bamboo Studio. It did show some errors for non-manifold geometry, but it sliced and printed just fine, as you can see here. And that's pretty much it. So once again, just a quick reminder to don't forget to to leverage your AI tools when possible. Anyway, that's it. Thank you everyone. See you next time.